next day I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. Yo, fuck it. Creep on the up block with a toolie. Tryna leave man bread like woolly. Whoosh. To get inside out, to get insides out. Now you're big T saucy. I try run do lots of got shells in the back of that. I had another got again. Big man got himself. Again, I would've got. Ah man, you see, if I knew his what the Two-Face song name? Again, if I knew his verse word for word on the remix, I would have sing that down. But you know, fam, if you know the Two-Face again remix, you know which verse I was singing. Fucking Gully. You understand? Today we have the Gully. No, Miming. First to the face, I hear the voice, and you don't know, say, a code, say, for the code, say, now, after say that. Today we have Gully, no Miming. We just do the PS, Anita, MB, and we don't know, say, Gully is a real spitter already, you know, dog. You see me? And he's a young youth still. I think he's still, like, teenager. You understand? Like, probably 17, 18, 19, I don't know. But, wow, that verse really did take a lot out of me. Anyway, check out my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. And yeah, let's jump into this shit. Like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment, please. Let's go. This freestyle was recorded live on Bro. Da-dum, da-dum. Da-dum, da-dum. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Tim and Barry, TV, come on. No
Come
man.
on.
Take me in. You know who it
What? Gully have a big scar on his face? Don't know Gully. Ups them got tier, fam. But don't know. Yeah, I make it not a rap game, so fuck the ups.
is. Life from the trenches, life from the curb. Respect my thing, respect to get Ying.
Aye.
No.
Man say respect my thing or respect to get Ying. Jesus. All right, cool. Nice, bro. You made it very clear. Thank you.
Trenches, life from the curb. Respect my thing, respect to get Ying. You know.
You know. No miming.
Spill it. Here in the
Spill it.
trenches, nothing new.
Nothing new.
Ying that.
Ying that.
Yo,
Yo.
yo. I take me in.
I take me in.
Spin this car, come here, want to see who's that. You're in my business, don't do that. Back my Ying car, want to see who's that. If I slap this, move back, how you might catch this. If I use that, I just back this and said who's that. From when I say who's that, run you got one life, don't lose that. Spin this car, come here, want to see who's that. You're in my business, don't do that.
Don't
back
do
my
that.
Ying car, want to see who's that. If I slap this, move back, how you might catch this. If I use that, I just back this and said who's that.
Who's that?
From when I say who's that, run you got one life, don't lose that. You got one life, don't abuse that. I heard he got one mash, but I know my man, he won't use that. Spin a car, I'll use that. Put my blade through that. What's that in the air? New pack, wind the window, car, want to see who's that. Heard he thought he was best, I threw that. I didn't have no clue that if I slapped it, my whole arm would
Bro, what? One said something so I threw that. And I was like, what do you mean you threw that? Then the ad-lib, corn. Like the man that answer me, bro, was like, man, say, yo, I had no, but I threw that. I was like, what did he throw? What did he throw? Corn. Like, all right, let's just bring it back so I don't look crazy. Y'all probably like, what the fuck is wrong with this nigga, bro? Listen.
Put my blade through that. What's that in the air? New pack, wind the window, car, want to see who's that. Heard he thought he was best, I threw that. I didn't have no clue that if I slapped it, my whole arm would move back. I'm a bad boy, but you knew that. We don't really see him get back when we shoot that. Who's that, boot that, then we root back. Had a back out, spin a coupe back. Got a whap out, and I shoot that. They just rap out when we do that. Spin this car, coming
Oh, I hear that again.
so I threw that. I didn't have no clue that if I slapped it, my whole arm would move back. I'm a bad boy, but you knew that. We don't really see him get back when we shoot that. Who's that, boot that, then we root back. Had a back out, spin a coupe back. Got a whap out, and I shoot that. They just rap out when we do that. Spin this car, come here, want to see who's that. Yeah, my business, don't do that. Back my Ying car, want to see who's that. If I slap this, Move back. You might catch this if I use that. I just slapped it and said, who's that? From when I say who's that, run, you only got one life. Don't lose that. This car, come here, want to see who's that. It's none of my business. Don't do that. Back my Ying car, want to see who's that. If I slap this, move.
Fam, get that little kid out of the ends, fam. The last time, we watched the Do Road one. Do Road walk past our liquor youth. Look like if I come from school. I know him, I got jumping at the trap so him can become Do Road liquor younger. And then him now, he want to become Gully younger now. It's like, man, I was riding my bike the other day, bro. No, I'm from England. Man, I was riding my bike the other day, bro. And I saw Gully on the ends, fam. He was doing a music video, fam. I want to be like Gully. See that now? Now we have Gully. Now we have the little Gully. Why Gully? We have why Gully.
You're in my business. Don't do that. Back my Ying car, I want to see who's that. If I slap this, move back, how you might catch this. If I use that, I just slapped it and said, who's that? From when I say who's that, run, you only got one life, don't lose that. I see him, I pray him. Right now, I wouldn't want to be him. My bro's in the workhouse, free him anytime I can. I do go see him. Wet him, blood. Before I put 4, before I put 3 with a game.
Bro. The kids are going anywhere from their staying. I'm telling you, fam, one of these kids are going to be why Gully. They're going to be little Gully, bro. I'm telling you.
I can, I do go see him. Wet him, blood. Before I put 4, before I put 3 when they gave him more. But he was clean, and they claimed his war, but I can't see him.
Oh, no, fam, flows.
Don't lose that. I see him, I pray him. Right now, I wouldn't want to be him. My bro's in the workhouse, free him anytime I can. I do go see him. Wet him, blood. Before I put 4, before I put 3 when they gave him more. But he was clean, and they claimed his war, but I can't see him. Pop out, sweep, whoosh, bring him mop out. But outside, pop out. Lean, Glock out.
What the fuck was that? What was that, bro? Something going outside? No, let me hear the ad-lib there again.
Sweep, whoosh, bring him mop out. But outside, pop out. Lean, Glock out. Gal get low, she sees man's.
I thought Gully did that. Gully never do that. No, sir. There's no way you're telling me Gully did that sound like. Arr! No, brother. Gully never do that. Gully are what? Duppy? Or dog or something?
Clean, and they claimed his war, but I can't see him. He's that pop out, sweep, whoosh, bring him mop out. But outside, pop out. Lean, Glock out. Gal get low, she sees man's cock out. Spin around, jump out, pop out, walk in the party, air it, bop out. My bros in the workhouse, doing up, knockout. Spin this car, come here, want to see who's that. You're in my business. Don't do that. Back my Ying car, want to see who's that. If I slap this, move back. How you might catch this if I use that. I just backed it and said, who's that? From when I say who's that, run, you only got one life, don't lose that. Spin this car, I want to see who that. You're in my business.
All the little girl, you understand? Alright, let me not. I was just about to say she's probably transporting some packs for the man. No, fam, I'm kidding. I'm joking. It's a joke, guys. She's not carrying packs, fam. She's just holding the waps for the man. Them. Come on, guys. We know this. Come on.
I say who's that? Run, you only got one life, don't lose that. Spin this car, I want to see who that. You're in my business.
Don't do that.
My Ying car, want to
see who that.
If I slap this,
move back.
How you might catch this if I use that. I just backed it and said who's that. From when I say who's that, run, you only got one life, don't lose that. Aye, Tim and Barry TV, no miming. Take me and respect my thing. I respect to get Ying, you know who it is.
Aye. Even that way, him just say around the youth, I go respect my thing, respect to get Ying. Fam, that kid is going to be why Gully, bro, I'm telling you.
No miming. Take me and respect my thing. I respect to get Ying, you know who it is.
Don't know. Aye.
Fuck it. That calm, yeah? We good?
That calm, yeah? We good? Yeah, man. This was more than good. This was sick, fam. Don't know. Big up fucking Gully on the no miming thing. Creep on an up block with a toolie. Tryna leave, man. Red light, ruly, whoosh. Yeah, that verse, man. Crazy. And to be the first time I listened to it, I never even like it, you know? At the more I'm listening, dog, I'm like, fuck it, this verse is probably the second best verse on the song. Second from the Two-Face verse. Cause I came in my arms under my armpit. Bro, I'm talking about a different song, bro. Anyway, Gully with the no miming. You understand? This was fucking sick, dog. The flows, I'm pull it up about like 3-4 times for ear flow. You understand? So you know some rate it. You don't know. So big up Gully, big up Tim and Barry. Big up you if you watch this, if you make it to the end of this video. Big up yourself. Don't know. Leave a like and a comment. And tell a friend to tell a friend, you know. Share it with your friend and say, yo, check out this guy. He's cool. You understand? He does good reactions or whatever. Or be like, check out this guy, man. He's so shit. You understand? Just send it. Don't know. Cogency had the Cogency Reacts channel, dog. I almost said gaming channel. Watch my gaming channel, bro. I got beer things coming out on a gaming channel now, dog. So just watch that shit. You understand? But don't know. Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. How about this motherfucker, man? Yes. Yeah. Can't wait the girl. Them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get roll